Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the red roll cake recipe in Heartopia game. Okay, let me show you my gourmet live, and I'm going to show you the roll cake recipe. As you can see here, I haven't unlocked the red roll cake. And if you want to make the roll cake, guys, we need to have the roll cake recipe. We can get the recipe from Doris. She's a hidden NPC in this game. You can only see her during the rainy days or the rainbow event. And once you meet her, you can buy the roll cake recipe and also the colorful sugar. And we're going to make the red roll cake. Okay, we need the original roll cake recipe, and to make the red one, we're going to replace the sugar with the red sugar. Okay, and you will also need egg and milk, and then I'm going to start cooking. Okay, and don't forget to adjust the heat level. And after you unlock the recipe, you don't need to replace the ingredient anymore. You can just use the red roll cake recipe. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, come on. All right. I'm going to unlock it. Okay, I've just made the red roll cake. And now the red roll cake recipe has been unlocked. Okay guys, and that's how we can make the red roll cake in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!